know you're somewhere, somewhere. I'm trapped in my mind, girl, just holding on.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है एंड आई एम शूटिंग दिस फॉर द सेकंड टाइम बिकॉज पहला वाला जो मैं शूट की थी बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं आया था. सो दिस इज़ माई सेकंड टाइम फिल्मिंग दिस वीडियो. सो टुडे आई एम गोना शेयर विद यू गाइस माय सरोजिनी नगर हॉल. मैं सरोजिनी नगर हॉल को दो हिस्से में बांटने वाली हूँ. फर्स्ट वीडियो विल बी ऑल अबाउट वेस्टर्न वेयर एंड द सेकंड वीडियो विल बी ऑल अबाउट इंडियन वेयर, earrings and everything. In this video I'm gonna share with you guys all of the western wear that mama and Dee got for us. And yeah, हाल ही में मम्मी गई थी दिल्ली and that's where she shopped from Sarojini Nagar, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First is this pair of shorts, and this is what it looks like. Such a cute pair of shorts, and I love yellow, and this is what it looks like. And the material is really good, and can you imagine the price? It's just for like 50 rupees, and the material is so good, and it's not like 50 रुपए का है, so the quality won't be nice. No, it's not. The quality is really good, and I'm really shocked to see how good quality it is, and it's just for like 50 rupees. The next thing that I have here is again a pair of shorts, and this is what it looks like. Such a cute printed short, and it has this drawstring so that you can adjust and wear this according to your waist size. And this is what it looks like, and again this is just for 50 rupees, and इसका quality थोड़ा सा मतलब हल्का है, and it's kind of ganji का material, and that's why it's like very soft compared to the first pair of shorts that I have. And I love them both, and both of them is just for like 100 rupees and 50 rupees each.
You got me down on the ground like I see your vision. I am some mirrors and mirrors and baby, nothing's clearer. You got me running around.
Okay, the next product that I have here is a trouser. This is what it looks like. This is from America's thrift store, and the price is $6.99, and this is like the material is again really nice, and it is just for 200 rupees. Yes, just for 200 rupees.
Around like there's so much to do, but maybe that's too much for you.
Let's move on to the next pair of trousers that I have and that I'm in love with, and this is what the pair of trousers I'm talking about. And this is what it looks like. High-waisted and very flared. गंदा है obviously because people see and buy, and obviously गंदा हो जाता है. And this is what it looks like. It has pockets front पे, and this is what it looks like, and it's written BCBG Maxaria, and it's made in USA. थोड़ा सा मतलब मुझे ऑल्टर करवाना होगा, but it fits so good. मुझे अच्छा फिटिंग के लिए इसे थोड़ा सा like ऑल्टर करवाना होगा. It's such a good pair of trousers, and it's again just for 200. Let's move on to tops. The first top that I have here is this beautiful top, and this is what it looks like. It is striped, and it has this bow detailing around the chest area, and you can see waist पे elastic है, and it has this white layer stuff going on, and the sleeve is again very flared. This is what it looks like, and this is just for 200 rupees, and the material again feels really good. I'm not just saying for the sake of the video, but because it's really good, just for 200 rupees, that's why I'm saying it. And the next top that I have here is an off-shoulder top, and I'm obsessed with this, and I'm going to wear this like a lot of times. And this is what it looks like. wow, I'm in love and I'm so excited. And this is what it looks like. It has this very like unique sleeve going on here, very like a flared sleeve, and it has this slit going on, very cute. And the print is so good, so like cute. This is just for 200 rupees. What a great buy, and also the material feels really good. And the next top that I have here is this tank top, and oh my god, the color screams summer and the print also screams summer. And this is what it looks like. ये बहुत ही हल्का सा मेरे लिए टाइट हो गया है, but then I can get away wearing like a stick-on bra if I want to, but then I can wear a regular bra, but थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए टाइट हो गया है, ज़्यादा स्ट्रेचेबल है नहीं, and इसीलिए थोड़ा सा टाइट हो गया है. बट अगर ये थोड़ा सा और स्ट्रेचेबल होता तो शायद बिल्कुल अच्छे से फिट हो जाता, बट देन इट्स नॉट दैट स्ट्रेचेबल, सो इसलिए थोड़ा सा एकदम हल्का सा टाइट हो गया अराउंड द चेस्ट एरिया. एंड बट या दिस इज़ व्हाट लुक्स लाइक, वेरी क्यूट. एंड आई होप यू कैन सी बहुत सारा थ्रेड्स निकला हुआ है, but then I have to like cut them all away so that I can wear, and ये बहुत ही cute लगेगा in pictures. I'm really excited to wear this out and click lots of picture with this because this is going to look awesome in pictures. And again, इसका price is just 100 rupees. 100 rupees, you guys. The price of this is just 100 bucks.
Double vision. I owe some mirrors and mirrors and baby, nothing's clearer. You got me running around like there's so much to do, but maybe that's too much.
Next up that I have here is this, and this is what it looks like. I have very similar top from Zara. I have two of them and it is very similar to Zara, and I think I don't remember the price, but उसका price obviously 700 से नीचे तो बिल्कुल होगा नहीं, and that's Zara, so 700-800 से नीचे जाएगा नहीं Zara का. But this is just 4 rupees, 150, and this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like, very cute, very comfortable, बहुत ही अच्छा fitting है, and it looks so good on me, and especially this color. And the material is very soft and fine, and I love it. बिना फैन चलाए, बिना AC, it's getting so hot in here. Abhi, let's move on to my sister ka clothing. The first pair of shorts that mama got for my sister is this, and again this is just for like 50 rupees, and the quality is again really awesome. The material doesn't feel cheap at all, and iska length thoda sa like lamba hai, and this is what it looks like, just for like 50 rupees. And the next pair of shorts is this, and इसका quality थोड़ा सा मतलब cheap है, but yeah, again such like cute abstract print. Let's move on to the bottoms first. Bottoms करिए, चलो मैं pants दिखा देती हूँ आपको. And the trousers that mama got for my sister is this. The first pair is this black striped formal kind of wear trouser, and this is what it looks like. It's basically a formal trouser. उसके लिए थोड़ा सा लंबा हो गया. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है Dolce Gabbana, but I'm pretty sure it's fake. And yeah, the quality is really good. And its price is just 200 rupees. Can you imagine getting this good quality trousers for just 200 rupees? It's a steal. And yeah, ये बहुत ही अच्छा material का है. So next time she goes, I'm like, mama आप trousers लाना ज़्यादा करके.
Baby, nothing's clearer. You got me running around like there's so much to do, but maybe that's too
she got is this. This is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like. And इसका price है just 200 rupees again.
But maybe that's too much for you. But maybe that's too much for you.
Let's start with tops, and the first top that I have here is this. The material of this top is very light and बहुत ही सही है for this kind of weather in Calcutta, which is very hot and humid. And this is what it looks like. बहुत ही cute सा print है, and it's babyish pink, peachish pink in color. I don't know how to describe the color, but yeah, it's very cute. And this is what it looks like. आपको सामने से दिखा देती हूँ. And this is what it looks like. बहुत ही हल्का and very perfect for this kind of weather in Calcutta. And it's just for like 100 rupees. What a great buy. And the next top that I have here is this cropped striped crop top. And hold on a second, I'm just getting it right. This is the next top, and this is what it looks like. And यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा कि at the end of the top you can see like a belt detailing. This is what it looks like, and it has a quarter length का sleeve, and this is what it looks like. And यहाँ पे bow है पीछे की तरफ. Such a cute detailing. And the price of this is just 200 rupees. What a great buy again. The next top is a striped oversized black and white top shirt, to be precise, and surprisingly it's from Veramoda, and that's why I was like, dude, the quality feels really nice, and it's from Veramoda, and that's why the quality is nice. And this is what it looks like. It's a basic black and white striped top, and the quality feels really awesome because it's from Veramoda. The quality is really awesome, and the size is large, and that's why it's gonna be oversized. And I'm not complaining, like I can pair this up with a spaghetti, and I can throw this on, and I can wear jeans and my sneakers or heels, and it will look awesome. The price is just 200 rupees. What a great buy again, and Veramoda says so. That I have here is this shirt style top, and this is what it looks like. The material feels really good, and the print is so awesome. And yeah, and iska price is just 200 rupees again. What a great buy. I'm like, mama, क्या लाए हो आप भी, मतलब what a great buy. And the material feels really good, and I don't know what to say, like mama जो भी लाई है this time, it's is again a shirt style top, and this is what it looks like. Wow, such a cute printed top. Cherries, again cherries. And this is what it looks like. Again, this is just for like 200 bucks, 200 rupees. And yeah, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि टाई अप करके मैं कैसे पहनी हूँ, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि मैं इसे ज़्यादा पहनने वाली हूँ, उससे ज़्यादा पहनने वाली हूँ. अगेन दैट वाज जस्ट फॉर लाइक 200 रुपीज़.
But maybe that's too much for you. But maybe that's too much for you.
And the last top that I have here is what it looks like. Same thing in just different color. It's a grayish blue color with white stripes, and this is what it looks like. Again, its price is just 200 rupees. Wow, such a great buy. And with this I complete this Western Sarojini Nagar haul. And अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो, then make sure you like my video, subscribe कर देना मेरे चैनल को, and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.